Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I'm always on the hunt for ways to organize our family and get things done. And I wanted to get some nice boards to write chores and extra things that I want the kids to get done every day. That's why these little boards by Kosair have been so helpful. I love that you get 4 different colors so everyone can have their own color and know exactly which board is theirs. It also adds a little pizzazz to my life. It comes with everything you need, the boards, 4 different color markers for them, and 12 of these adorable magnets. The magnets are like little pieces of plastic glass. They are so pretty. The markers do a great job of writing nicely and dark enough that you actually can read them. Each marker has a little foam eraser, but it also comes with one big eraser, which is great. They're A5 size, which doesn't mean much to me, but it's close to being around 6 inches by 8 inches. So you can see in comparison to my hand how big they are. So if you are looking for a way to organize what's in your fridge, meals, your family, whatever you want, I highly recommend these. They're super fun, but that's just my point of view.